Hair loss explained with balance and truth. Hair loss feels personal. Quiet strands on the pillow. Thinner edges in the mirror. No panic, just concern that grows slowly. Strong roots. Calm scalp, steady progress. This is not about instant regrowth. It is about what changed when I stopped fighting my hair and started supporting the system behind it. Hair grows from follicles. Follicles respond to blood flow, nutrients, and hormones. According to the NI, hair cycles through growth, rest, and shedding phases. Simple science. When the body lacks support, more hairs stay in the resting phase. The first issue for me was stress, not emotional drama. Constant tension. Studies in JAMA Dermatology show stress hormones can push hair into shedding earlier. My first adjustment was sleep, 7 hours minimum. No screens before bed. Next came protein. Hair is made of keratin. Keratin needs amino acids. Mayo Clinic confirms low protein intake may worsen hair thinning. I added eggs and yogurt, not excess, just consistent daily portions. Iron mattered too, especially for women. Iron supports oxygen delivery to follicles. NIP publications link low iron stores to increase shedding. I focused on food first. Lentils, spinach, red meat once weekly. How this works. Better oxygen means stronger follicle activity. Then came scalp care. Gentle massage 5 minutes daily. This improves local blood flow. Dermatologic therapy studies support this effect. I use diluted rosemary oil 2 times weekly, small amounts. Research in Skin Journal showed comparable results to standard options over several months. The change was not instant. Less breakage first. Then baby hairs near the hairline. Not everyone responds the same. Genetics matter. Hormones matter. Dosage matters. Some things did not work for me. Tight hairstyles increase shedding, so I stopped them. Important note: hair support is not a cure. It is optimization. Before starting supplements or oils, consult a doctor or dermatologist, especially with hormonal or thyroid issues. Daily integration was realistic. Balanced meals, scalp massage, stress reduction. Possible side notes: excess oil may clog follicles. Oversupplementation may cause imbalance. Tracking progress required patience. Monthly photos. Reduced shedding in the shower. Improved texture over time. Fatigue reduced as well. Hair health reflected overall health. This journey changed my mindset. Hair responds to consistency, not pressure. If this helped you rethink hair care, like the video and share your experience. Start today. Your hair remembers good habits.